Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. We have an unboxing that I've been kind of looking forward to. Ordered it quite a while ago, and it finally has arrived in the next year. So I ordered it in 2018, and it's here in 2019. Well over a month, but that's okay. It was on a pre-order status, but let's take a look inside. See what we have. This is from Bullion Exchanges, and we're going to unbox in a manner, I'm hoping, to which doesn't cause any serious harm here. There we go. There is a package and a box within a package. Very nice indeed. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing. Being very careful to cut into the package with such great care that we cause, all right, it to open. And then within the box, there is another package. Very nice. I'm going to pull that out here. Making inroads with the package and a box and another package. My guess is there will probably be another package within this package. And then we'll work our way down like one of those Russian toys. Let's make our way and into that. Okay. I've cut into the receipt. I've cut into the Bullion Exchanges sticker, which was not my intention, but it happened anyway. Not that I would really put that on anything, but there we go. Now, let's take a look at the particular piece we have here. Very well packaged by Bullion Exchanges, indeed. This is a pre-order that I had made for the Perth Mint's very first 10-ounce Piedfort. That's right, and we're going to struggle through this together. And there it is, and it came in a capsule, which I was a little worried about. I was nervous that it would not come in a capsule, but it did come in a capsule. Very cool, 10 ounces, finally freed from this packaging there within. There it is, very cool. It is the Koala from the Next Generation series, 10 ounces of pure silver here. 2018 is the date, 4 nines fine silver. $10 is the denomination thereof, but very well done. It does have that nice sort of a matte finish in the background, but even the Queen herself has sort of a finish to her that looks finished, but that nonetheless, there it is. And the radial lines, the relatively far spaced radial lines, by the way, which in some ways, I guess they wanted to differentiate themselves from the Royal Canadian Mint, because their 2-ounce version as well has this kind of widely spaced radial lines. And there we see Elizabeth II, Australia, $10. And this is the 10-ounce version. And I believe they're doing a series of these with Australian native creatures and their babies. So that's the Koala and baby, mama and baby there on a branch there. Very nice and wonderfully done. And as is the case, it is nice and thick. The capsule is kind of strange. I wonder if you can screw that off. Yeah, this is interesting. The capsule is such that it turns and pivots out. So you can remove it relatively with much ease. And I'm going to actually pull the whole thing out so you can, boy, that thing is cold. Yes, indeed. Literally just acquired this. And very, very nice indeed. Look at that. Beautiful. 10 ounces fine silver. Nice and thick. Piedfort, a first for the Perth Mint to do a 10-ounce thick piece like this. But, yeah. What are your thoughts? Very nicely detailed, as a Perth Mint usually does with their products. We're going to actually, now that it's raw and in the nothing prohibiting it with a capsule, we can kind of really zoom in and take a look at the details of all the fur and the creatures here. P for Perth Mint there on the edge. And we can see how the radial lines come in tighter towards the creatures themselves. Very nice. There is the engraver's initials or the designer's initials, either or. Very nicely done. I forget the mintage on these, but I think they're pretty well done. And again, I'd ordered this well over a month ago, but Bullion Exchanges had just gotten them in stock. And so figured I'd place an order for one. Very nice. 4 nines fine silver. Nice thick piece here. Very nice indeed. Reeded edge. So post your thoughts about this particular piece. What do you think? And I like this capsule. I like how it fits nicely in there. And you can take this capsule and screw it on. Just like so. Actually, it's not even, it's just a latching system. So it's tight in there. Very nice. There it is. So post your thoughts below. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to y'all for watching. And encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.